Vinyl window installation in West Columbia, South Carolina, offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced aesthetics. Our Vinyl Windows West Columbia experts specialize in providing top-notch vinyl window solutions tailored to your specific needs. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our vinyl window contractors in West Columbia ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round while reducing energy costs. Custom vinyl windows in South Carolina are designed to meet the unique preferences of each homeowner. Our vinyl window specialists in South Carolina offer a variety of vinyl window styles and designs to complement any architectural style. Whether you're looking for double-hung vinyl windows in West Columbia or other vinyl window options in South Carolina, we have the perfect solution for you. Vinyl window maintenance in West Columbia, South Carolina, is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our vinyl window replacement services in West Columbia, South Carolina, address any issues promptly, ensuring your windows remain in optimal condition. Affordable vinyl windows West Columbia provide a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality or durability. Vinyl window upgrades in South Carolina can significantly enhance the value and appeal of your home. Our vinyl window contractors in West Columbia offer a range of vinyl window features, including advanced insulation and durable vinyl window frames. These vinyl window benefits in South Carolina contribute to improved home comfort and reduced energy consumption. Vinyl window aesthetics in West Columbia are a key consideration for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal. Our vinyl window designs in West Columbia, South Carolina, offer a variety of colors and finishes to match your personal style. Vinyl window performance in South Carolina is unmatched, providing excellent insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl window insulation in South Carolina is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our energy-efficient windows in West Columbia are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Vinyl window efficiency in West Columbia, South Carolina, is achieved through high-quality materials and expert installation. Vinyl window frames in West Columbia, South Carolina, are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our vinyl window specialists in South Carolina ensure that each installation is completed to the highest standards, providing long-lasting performance. Vinyl window glass in South Carolina is available in various options, including double-pane and low-E coatings, to enhance energy efficiency. Vinyl window solutions in South Carolina are tailored to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. Our vinyl window experts in West Columbia, South Carolina, are committed to delivering exceptional service and quality products. Whether you need window replacement services in West Columbia, South Carolina, or vinyl window upgrades in South Carolina, we have the expertise to exceed your expectations. Vinyl window durability in West Columbia, South Carolina, is a testament to the quality of our products and installation services. Our vinyl window contractors in West Columbia are dedicated to providing reliable and long-lasting solutions. Vinyl Windows West Columbia options include a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to suit any home.